Everyone has something to say. Online, opinions fire like rapid bullets, each one demanding reaction. Socrates warned against this long before Wi-Fi existed. He believed true wisdom began when we admitted how little we actually know. Today, confidence is mistaken for intelligence. But posting loudly isn't thinking deeply. We don't form ideas, we inherit them, repeat them, weaponize them. To be wise now means resisting the pressure to immediately respond. Sit with uncertainty, ask more than you declare. Challenge yourself before challenging others. Most opinions are just ego in disguise. Silence, oddly enough, is often the most intelligent voice in the room.